Welcome back to Dinar Current, a monumental shift for Iraqi dinar holders. There has been a groundbreaking development in the global financial world, particularly for those who have been patiently holding Iraqi dinar currency in anticipation of a potential shift in international monetary policy. Bank of America, one of the largest and most influential banking institutions in the United States, has officially begun accepting Iraqi dinar notes for exchange. This is not a rumor, guesswork, or speculation based on unverified online chatter. This is a confirmed and deliberate step by the bank, signaling a substantial change in how the Iraqi dinar is viewed and handled by major financial institutions. The denominations currently being accepted include the 25,000, 10,000, 5,000, and 1,000 dinar notes. These are the most commonly held denominations among private holders, and their acceptance marks a significant pivot in currency treatment. For years, the Iraqi dinar has been classified as an exotic currency, a term used in banking to refer to currencies from developing or unstable economies, which typically see little to no trading volume in the international financial system. Exotic currencies are often ignored by Western banks due to the risks associated with their volatility and lack of liquidity. However, this recent move by Bank of America seems to suggest that the tide is turning. By activating its foreign currency exchange desk to process Iraqi dinar notes, the bank is sending a clear message to both the financial community and individual currency holders. The dinar is stepping into a new era of legitimacy and international recognition. What does this mean for the Iraqi dinar? The implications of this development are vast and worth exploring carefully. For starters, this decision could mean that the Iraqi dinar is no longer seen solely as a speculative or unstable currency, but one that may soon be considered part of the larger basket of tradable global currencies. If Bank of America has made this change, it's highly likely that other major financial institutions are either preparing to follow suit or are already making behind-the-scenes arrangements to do the same. This could be in anticipation of a revaluation (RV) or reinstatement of the Iraqi dinar's value on international markets, especially through platforms such as Forex, foreign exchange markets, and SWIFT, Society for Worldwide Interbank Financial Telecommunication. Although no formal revaluation has been confirmed, the acceptance of these notes at a major U.S. bank is a strong signal that something significant is underway. It's important to note that this is not a one-off occurrence or a limited pilot program. According to insider reports and confirmed sources, the foreign currency desks at multiple Bank of America locations are being equipped and trained to handle dinar-related transactions. This is a full-scale operational change, not a test run. How to prepare if you hold Iraqi dinar? For those who currently possess Iraqi dinar notes, the opening of this exchange window is a critical opportunity. However, it also comes with responsibilities and the need for careful planning. Before you rush to the nearest Bank of America location, it's vital that you prepare thoroughly. Here are the key steps to ensure you're ready to make the most of this opportunity. 1. Inspect the condition of your notes. Banks will not accept damaged, torn, overly worn, or defaced currency. Your dinar notes need to be in good physical condition. That means no excessive creasing, fading, ink marks, or tape repairs. If you're unsure whether your notes meet bank standards, it might be wise to consult with a currency expert or dealer who can verify their authenticity and condition. 2. Organize your documentation. You will be asked to show proof that you legally purchased your Iraqi dinar. This typically includes receipts from licensed currency dealers, purchase contracts, or invoices. If you bought your dinar from an online source, dig up the confirmation emails and transaction records. The more organized you are, the smoother your exchange experience will be. 3. Have your government-issued ID ready. As with any financial transaction involving large sums or foreign currency, identification is crucial. Make sure you have a valid photo ID, such as a driver's license or passport, and ensure that your information matches the documents tied to your dinar purchase. 4. Schedule an appointment. Don't just walk into a branch expecting immediate service. Call ahead to your local Bank of America and ask to speak with a representative from the Foreign Currency Exchange Department. They may require an appointment or direct you to a branch that handles foreign currency exchanges. What to expect at the bank? Once your appointment is confirmed and you arrive at the branch, you'll be guided through a formal process. The bank will verify the authenticity of your dinar notes, confirm your documentation, and then provide an exchange rate. This rate will be firm, meaning it's the official rate being offered on the day of your visit. It's important to understand that the rate you receive will include a spread, a fee that banks charge for handling foreign currency transactions. This institutional spread generally falls between 2% and 5%, depending on the volume of the transaction and current market conditions. While this may seem like a lot, it's actually within the normal range for currency exchanges and covers administrative, security, and market fluctuation risks borne by the bank. Is this the long-awaited revaluation? The question on everyone's mind is whether this signals the start of the long-anticipated Iraqi dinar revaluation. While this development is a strong indicator that the dinar is gaining traction in the global financial system, there is still no formal announcement of a revaluation from Iraq's central bank or international financial bodies such as the International Monetary Fund (IMF) or the World Bank. However, history has shown that major currency shifts are often preceded by changes in how banks treat and process the currency in question. So while it would be premature to declare this as the moment of RV, it could very well be the beginning of that process or a sign that Iraq is positioning its currency for international normalization. Why now? The timing of this shift is no coincidence. Iraq has been working hard to rebuild its economy, improve its oil exports, and attract foreign investment. Over the past few years, there has been increased cooperation between Iraq and global financial institutions. In addition, Iraq has made strides in monetary reform, financial regulation, and reducing corruption within its banking sector. These internal improvements, combined with external support, could be laying the groundwork for a more stable and internationally accepted currency. It's possible that the banking world, including institutions like Bank of America, is now responding to these reforms by preparing for greater Iraqi dinar integration in the world economy. What should dinar holders do now? This is a moment of opportunity, but also one of caution. Here are a few final tips to help you navigate this pivotal time wisely. Stay informed, watch for updates from reliable financial sources, not rumor-based forums or unverified YouTube channels. Consult a professional. If you're unsure about how to proceed or have a large volume of dinar, speak with a licensed financial advisor or currency exchange expert. Keep emotions in check. The prospect of a windfall can be exciting, but financial decisions should be made with a clear and calm mind. Don't act out of fear or hype. The exchange window is open, but there's no reason to panic or rush. Take your time and proceed with clarity. Final thoughts. The future may be closer than you think. We are witnessing what could be a major turning point for the Iraqi dinar and for those who have believed in its future potential. The acceptance of dinar notes by a major U.S. bank like Bank of America is not just a procedural update. It's a statement. It says that something real is happening. It says that the currency once viewed with skepticism is now being welcomed into the world of legitimate, internationally traded money. For those who have waited, watched, and hoped, your patience may be about to pay off. But remember, success in moments like this depends on preparation, caution, and informed decision-making. The window is open, and your financial future could be entering a brand new chapter. Be wise. Be ready. And most importantly, be informed.